Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, let me be 100% clear. This video shows how to build a true 500-watt permanent magnet generator. Not the ones sold in most shops that are labeled 500W, but in real wind barely deliver 100 to 150 watts. The difference is magnet volume, flux density, and proper coil design. What we're building today gives over 500 watts in 8 to 9 meters per second wind. I've measured it myself. This video gives you two huge advantages. You'll learn every single detail, even if you never build it. If you want to build one, ask anything in the comments, anytime. I answer everything. Full drawings, CAD files, coil calculator, parts list, everything free in the description. Total cost under $90. Parts list. 24 N42 neodymium cylinders 50 by 20 millimeters, 3 10 millimeters thick HDP or Teflon discs, 2 40 centimeters rotors, 1 50 centimeters stator, 1.2 kilograms EWG 21 enamel wire, 10 to 15 millimeters steel shaft, 3 bearings, 96 self-drilling screws, 2:1 epoxy resin, zip ties. Step 1. Cutting the discs. 2 40 centimeters rotors and 1 50 centimeters stator with a jigsaw. 10 millimeters thickness keeps everything strong and the flux path short. Step 2. Magnet rotors. 12 magnets per disc, alternating north-south. 3 to 4 millimeters from the edge for maximum flux. 4 screws per magnet. 96 screws total, absolutely locked. Then mix slow cure 2:1 epoxy and fully encapsulate both magnet discs. It locks the magnets, protects from corrosion, and makes the disc rock solid. Step 3. Coil winding. 9 coils on the stator. Roughly 80 turns of AWG 21 per coil, 75 to 85 works perfect. Each coil tied with 2 heavy zip ties. All 9 wired in star because I charge 24V or 48V batteries. Star gives higher voltage and easier start in light wind. Step 4. Second epoxy pour. Same resin, slightly warmed, poured until every coil is covered. 24 hours cure and the stator becomes one vibration-proof block. Step 5. Balancing and machining. This is where most homemade builds fail. I put every disc on the lathe, remove material until zero wobble at 600 revolutions per minute, and face the surfaces perfectly flat. Final air gap, 2 millimeters total, 1 millimeter each side. Safe and still maximum power. Step 6. Assembly. Shaft, bearing, rotor, 2 millimeters spacer, stator, 2 millimeters spacer, second rotor, bearing, lock nuts. Spins completely free by hand with almost no cogging. First test. Hand crank already 12 to 14 volts open circuit. In real 8 meters per second wind. 520 to 570 watts continuous into 24V batteries. Real measured power. Everything you need. Drawings, calculator, magnet layout, resin amounts, free in description. Next video. Cheap, strong 1.8 blades that survive storms. If you want free electricity, hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell. Any question, drop it in the comments. I answer every single one. See you in the next one. Let's go make power. If you found even a tiny bit of this build useful or cool, please hit that like button and subscribe. It directly supports real makers and inventors like me. Thank you so much.